Hi guys, so I'm here in my hotel in Taiwan, Taipei, Taiwan. It's called the hotel is called LIo Hotel. So I'm here for the room tour. So I'm occupying the room 226. So yan po yung room, madilim. So pagka ano ng key, we have the free bottled water and electric kettle, and then we have the TV, and we have the ref, and so here's the bed. We have a window here and some shelf to put stuff, and then also there's a vanity mirror and the complimentary coffee and tea. Here's the cute restroom. So we have the hot and cold shower, and then the complimentary shampoo, bath foam, and soap. So that is the quick room tour. I got this 1,800 pesos per night in a sale in Agoda. So ever you want to book LIo Hotel, it's 5 minutes away from Taipei main station, and what else? It's so convenient, so the bed's so comfortable. So yeah, I'm promoting LIo Hotel. So if ever you want to go to Taiwan and you don't have any hotel, then go to LIo Hotel. Here are their details. It's located in Yanping Road. So that would be all, guys. That's a quick room tour. Bye.